Hello friends, welcome to Computer Byte. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to insert table of figures into our document. So please watch this video till the very end to get a good grip of this one. To insert a table of figures, we need to insert some text and pictures into our document. So I'm going to enter some random text. I have 4 pages now. Now I'm going to insert a picture here. Insert picture, and I have inserted this one. Okay, then I'll insert another at page number 2. I'll do the same in the page number 3. And in page number 4 as well. So I have 6 pages now. Let's auto caption these pictures. We'll get a caption for these pictures. Now click on this picture, go to references, and click on insert caption. Here we have some captions and labels, figures, picture, table. In case these are pictures or equations or charts, you can make your custom label clicking new label. In case I enter chart. Okay, now press OK. We can see that this picture has been labeled with chart 1. Now we have to do the same thing with the picture number 2. Insert caption, and it is auto captions chart number 2, so you just need to click OK. This is chart 2. Same with this one. Insert caption, press OK. Chart number 3 and chart number 4. Okay. If we need any cross-reference regarding these pictures, these charts, if this paragraph is written about picture, the chart number 4, so we can insert a cross-reference in this paragraph. In case we write something, for more details, see. Now I'll insert a cross-reference here. Go to cross-reference. Here we will take chart. Okay, so we have a reference type. I have taken chart. Now if I want to insert chart number 4 as a cross reference here, I'll click insert, select it and insert, close. So this is chart number 4. If we press Ctrl from our keyboard and click on this chart, we'll be directed to chart number 4. If we want to do the same thing with another chart, so here, click here, cross reference, chart number 3 or whatever chart you want to insert and close. Now by clicking Ctrl plus click, we can reach to chart number 3. This is chart number 3, and you can repeat this for the other charts as well. Now if we want a proper table of figures using these charts, we'll just go to, in case we want this table in the start of the document, so I am here. Now insert table of figures and just click OK. Now chart 1, chart 2, chart 3, chart 4 and their respective page numbers have been shown here. Now click on any one, pressing the Control key first, and it will take us to the respective chart. If I click chart 2 with Control key, and chart 3, and so on for other charts as well. But if we insert any a picture and auto caption it later on, so we need to update the table first. I am going to insert a picture on page number 4 here. This is 6 on the page, it doesn't matter. Picture, and I am inserting this one here. Okay, this is on page number 7 now. Let's give it a caption. Insert caption, chart number 5, and okay. Now this won't be included in the chart. We don't have chart number 5 in this table, so we just need to update the table from this command. Update the table. You have two options: update page numbers only and update entire table. We will take update entire table because we don't need page numbers to be updated. We want an addition, so update entire table is a command to take. I'll press OK. Now you can see that picture, the chart number 5, which is on page number 7, is updated here. Now if we change any picture, we replace it from one page to another page, we will update page numbers only. If I want this picture to be on the other page, yes, it is on page number 4 now, so you can see that this chart number 3, I have moved it to page number 4, so the page numbers are now moved. We again have to update the table, and now I can take update page numbers only, and it will update page numbers. Okay, you can see that the chart number 3 has been moved to page number 4. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.